Okay, let me talk about now some useful or helpful phrases that you can use in writing tasks too about essay writing. So when you are showing that phrases to show two sides of argument, like some people prefer, those who disagree point out that we must acknowledge, nevertheless, no one can deny, however, many people hold the opinion, others, however, disagree. Although it is hard to compete with, some people still prefer phrases to add not only যখন আপনি add করছেন কিছু instead of writing only and use না করে not only but also furthermore in addition more of a conclusion এ লিখতে পারেন lastly finally could conclude with in short in conclusion in brief clearly phrases for results as a result therefore thus so eventually phrases for examples, for example, for instance, in particular, such as to illustrate. Phrases to deny what was said before, although, however, nevertheless, even if, in spite of, on the other hand. আমি বলছি না যে এগুলো সবই আপনাদের মাথায় রাখতে হবে. You can pick 2 or 3 that you can use in every sort of essays. হ্যাঁ, 2-3টা পিক করে রাখবেন বা মনে রাখবেন, সবসময় এগুলো মাথায় রাখবেন যে আমি যখনই এরকম টাইপের কোনো কিছু লিখতে যাচ্ছি I will add this phrases onto it.